UnclePacky here with you. Hey, look, today I'm gonna be talking about my personal unit. I get a lot of guys and gals ask me, tell me about your unit. What is it? What have you had done to it? So today's your day. We're in wild country. Today's Friday. Everything's getting started. But I'm gonna give you a walk around this RZR of mine right here. So y'all stick with me. Alright guys, so look, this is my 2018 Polaris RZR Turbo XP4 Dynamix edition. So I bought this thing October 2018. It was completely stock. It had nothing on it. I mean, nothing. I called my good friends at Super ATV. Man, they sent me all kind of stuff. Because UnclePacky just kind of wanted a one-stop shop. I mean, they had everything. So I'm gonna borrow this from Dustin in a minute. So, you know, you got your 4-day arms right here. I chose to go with uniball instead of the ball joints. I just wanted to try it, you know, just to make sure that I didn't want the ball joint trouble, you know. So I got the GDP portals on there. They worked out good. I can tell you something about the portals. My main reason for going with a portal is because I got tired of changing wheel bearings. Man, I hate changing RZR wheel bearings. I mean, every 2 or 3 rides I was putting new wheel bearings in my unit. And but anyway, I've learned a whole lot more of advantages of having these portals, man. The gear reduction's awesome. I mean, you can slow crawl through stuff in high gear. I mean, you can keep in high gear, and you know, you can just ease through stuff. But anyway, I'm just gonna kind of walk you around a little bit. Look, starting at the front here, we got us a Super ATV bumper. Also, we got a Super ATV winch in there on the winch mount. Like I said, we got the 4-day arms with the uniball. GDP portals, 6-inch. I got the windshield. Let's see here what else we got on this joker. Got the radius rods in the back. Got some Rhino 2.0 axles in there. Got a rear bumper for Super ATV. Alright, so another reason I went with Super ATV stuff is, you know, you guys that watch my videos, you ought to know that I'm pretty much on the road every weekend to a different mud park. I mean, every mud park, wherever, UnclePacky's usually there filming this stuff. I'm gonna tell you the honest to goodness truth right here. The only thing that is broke on this buggy since I've owned it is a right rear axle, and it was an inner cup, and I actually think it was defective because I'm just saying. But anyway, Super ATV supplied the Rhino 2.0 axles. Hadn't had any trouble with that, and I have put rear brakes on the back, and I just put brass brake pads on the front. So I just installed some brass brake pads on the front the last ride right there, so I enjoy it. So when UnclePacky's out there, you know, I found somebody in the woods, you know, hung up a little bit. I got this nice hitch right here. So you just unscrew it. So you just unscrew it there with a D-ring. Hey man, you hook it onto a Yankum rope, or whatever kind of rope you might have. You know, it's just a trailer hitch setup, but I really like that thing. It's really handy. So you see high lifter back here in the back. So one thing I had to put on high lifter was when I got the buggy, Super ATV at the time, they didn't offer a lift kit for it because it was the Dynamix edition. So they was worried about the wiring. But like I said, that's a couple years ago. I'm sure they've got that figured out now. So anyway, it's got the high lifter 3 to 5 inch lift kit on it. You also got these light whips right here, man. FX whips. You got to call these guys, man. FX whips are bright. Look how many LEDs are in there. I mean, there's tons of them. Super bright. Watch this. I'm gonna turn it on daytime. See if they can see it though. Look at that. It's daytime. These things light up bright as I don't know what. So FX whips, man. They're good stuff. BKT tires, the 37.5s. One thing I want to point out is this buggy is a 1.5 years old. So all this stuff on here, it's a 1.5 years old. So I think it came in pretty good shape to be a 1.5 years, but so if everything ain't as shiny as it's supposed to be, or you might find some wood in the rim or something, don't hammer me too bad for it. It's snorkeled by Snorkel Your ATV. Oh man, you get the mud there. That's terrible, isn't it? That's my turbo intake. Get over here, dude. What's up, buddy? You doing all right?
What you doing?
Doing good, man. Good to see you.
Just made it?
Say again.
Just made it?
No, I've been here for a little while.
Okay. Got that thing.
What's your name, man?
Agent Turner, man, from Carthage, Mississippi. Probably about 2 hours away.
Sarah Gilmer from Philadelphia, Mississippi.
Hey, what's my big famous thing I say? You don't know? She's way better looking than he is. You don't know that
I'm
already.
watching you on YouTube, man.
I appreciate you, buddy. Good to see you, man.
Y'all coming to the bounty hole? Y'all coming to the bounty hole? Yeah! All right, yeah.
All right, so one thing I like about it is the radio is actually built in, so the Bluetooth setup is already in there. So you can get the sources right there, pick whatever you want, FM, AM, NOAA, Bluetooth, or USB. So you just load it on there, and you pretty much got it, man. I mean, once you load it in there, all your music will play. So I haven't had any issues with it, man. It's been an awesome buggy. I love this buggy. You know, it's not the biggest buggy out there, but it's not the smallest buggy out there either. And it gets UnclePacky where he needs to go. A lot of guys say, you know, everywhere I go, send it, UnclePacky, you hit the bounty hole, you hit it. Well, man, what you gotta understand is next week, I'll be in Auburn. Last week, I was in Timbuktu. Following week, I mean, just every weekend I'm somewhere. So if I break this joker, I'm down. And I'm not walking, I'm too old to be walking around. So that's another reason we're Super ATV parts, man. I'm telling you. For a one-stop shop, you can't beat Super ATV. Look, there it is right there, look. Super ATV, one side or the other. I'm telling you, man, they're good folks. You need to call them, tell them UnclePacky sent you. It worked for me. If it works for me, it'll work for you, I promise you. So y'all give them a call.